Number 1. 1976 Ford F-250 High-Capacity Long Bed, $2,000, Cathlamet, Washington. This 1976 Ford F-250 is an interesting project truck with a desirable combination of a 460 cubic inch V8 and a C6 automatic transmission. The supercab body and two-wheel drive configuration give it classic heavy-duty Ford character, while the green exterior and matching green interior have plenty of period appeal. The seller is upfront that it needs work, but at least the major drivetrain combination is already in place. With the right restoration, this could become a very strong vintage cruiser or work-oriented classic. Number 2. 1973 Chevrolet CK2500 Long Bed, $3,500, Turner, Oregon. This 1973 Chevrolet 2500 has the classic square body styling that continues to attract collectors and truck enthusiasts. It has a 350 V8 with a 350 automatic transmission, newer tires, and reportedly runs and drives well. The major drawback is rust, particularly in the bed, floors, and rocker areas, while the windshield wipers are also not functioning. Still, the seller describes the rust as repairable, and the clean title adds considerable value. This would make a fun, inexpensive cruiser once the body repairs and basic roadworthiness issues are addressed. Number 3. 1962 Ford F-100 Unibody Short Bed, $3,900, Bayview, Idaho. The 1962 Ford F-100 Unibody is one of the most distinctive pickups of its era because the cab and bed were visually integrated into one flowing body. This short bed example is powered by a 292 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission, an appealing combination for a period-correct truck enthusiast. The seller states that it runs and drives well, which makes this considerably more attractive than many projects from this era. Its relatively unusual body configuration gives it additional collector appeal. Number 4. 1960 Chevrolet C30 Stake Bed, $5,000, Salem, Oregon. The 1960 Chevrolet C30 represents the beginning of an important new styling generation for Chevrolet trucks. This example is a farm-used stake bed that retains its original style 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission. Unfortunately, it has been sitting for years and is currently non-running, with the radiator missing and a broken passenger side window. On the positive side, the body is reportedly fairly straight, the seats remain usable, and the truck has a clear title. For a serious restorer, this could be an excellent foundation for returning an early Chevrolet heavy-duty truck to working condition. Number 5. 1957 GMC 3500 Custom Heavy-Duty Pickup, $6,000, Valley Springs, California. This 1957 GMC 3500 is an unusual custom-built heavy-duty pickup configured as a 2.5-ton truck. It uses a 302 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine and a 2-speed rear differential, giving it considerably more work truck character than an ordinary half-ton pickup. The combination suggests that this truck was built for utility rather than speed. For collectors who appreciate unusual commercial-grade trucks, its heavy-duty configuration could be its greatest attraction. Number 6. 1971 Chevrolet C20, $1,500, Corning, California. At $1,500, this 1971 Chevrolet C20 is clearly aimed at the project truck market. It has a 307 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, and the seller reports that the engine turns freely even though the truck does not currently run. The two-wheel drive, 3/4 ton configuration makes it a useful foundation for either restoration or a custom build. The bill of sale rather than a conventional title is an important consideration, so a buyer should verify the registration situation before investing heavily. Number 7. 1967 Ford F-250 Heavy-Duty Long Bed, $10,000, Citrus Heights, California. This 1967 Ford F-250 is one of the more interesting trucks in the group, particularly because it combines a 352 cubic inch FE V8 with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs and drives, and the previous owner has already upgraded the front brakes to discs, while the rear drum brakes and wheel cylinders have been replaced. With only 28,141 miles shown, the truck has an especially interesting mileage claim, although its ownership history should be carefully documented. It is not described as fully restored, but it appears to be a very usable classic with excellent mechanical potential. Number 8. 1956 Ford F-100, $5,500, Madera, California. The 1956 Ford F-100 is highly desirable among classic pickup collectors thanks to its iconic mid-1950s styling. This example has been fitted with a 302 cubic inch engine and a 4-speed transmission, but has been parked for more than 20 years. It is currently non-running and has some rust, so this should be considered a full recommissioning project rather than a driver. The missing paperwork is another issue that needs to be resolved. Nevertheless, the body appears reasonably promising for its age, making this a potentially worthwhile restoration candidate. Number 9. 1974 Chevrolet C10, $7,500, San Francisco, California. This 1974 Chevrolet C10 is a running and driving project powered by a small block 350 V8. The cammed engine should provide a more aggressive character than a completely stock truck, while the clean title and paid registration add convenience for a California buyer. It has good tires and reportedly runs, drives, brakes, and steers well. Typical rust is present around the cab corners, hood, and bed, while the interior needs attention. Overall, it looks more like a usable project. Number 10. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne Long Bed, $9,900, Baldwin Park, California. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne is one of the stronger driver quality trucks in the selection. It features a 350 V8, a Hughes 200 R4 automatic transmission, 3.73 gearing, camshaft upgrades, and classic 15-inch rally wheels. The 200 R4 is particularly useful because its overdrive can make highway cruising more comfortable than with the original style 3-speed automatic. The air conditioning only needs a belt according to the seller, while new tires, hoses, belts, and other parts have already been installed. Some rust remains, but the truck reportedly runs great. Number 11. 1971 Datsun 521, $6,300, Thousand Oaks, California. The 1971 Datsun 521 is a charming alternative to the larger American pickups of the same era. This example has an L20B engine, 4-speed manual transmission, 1-piece drive shaft, 4-inch rear blocks, steel wheels, and a complete rewiring. The seller has owned it since 2009 and reports only about 10,000 miles since the work was completed in 2016. It has remained registered and has been used as an occasional errand vehicle. The paint is fading and there are minor rust spots and cosmetic imperfections, but that patina suits the compact vintage truck character very well. Number 12. 1978 Chevrolet K10 four-wheel drive, $2,750, Torrance, California. This 1978 Chevrolet K10 is an inexpensive entry into the classic four-wheel drive square body market. It has a 350 engine, 350 automatic transmission, 2-speed transfer case, 12-bolt rear axle, and Dana 44 front axle. A General Motors Performance Crate engine has been installed at some point, although the exact history is unclear. Recent work includes a new ignition switch, door locks, battery, and fresh fluids. The unusual registration history mentioned by the seller should be investigated carefully before purchase, especially in California. Number 13. 1979 Jeep J20 heavy-duty pickup, $6,500, Victorville, California. The 1979 Jeep J20 was designed as a serious full-size work truck, and the 8-foot bed on this example emphasizes its practical nature. With only 2 owners reported and a clean history, it has an appealing ownership background. Unfortunately, the listing provides very few mechanical details, so the engine, drivetrain, suspension, and overall running condition should be inspected carefully. The J20 is considerably less common than Ford F-Series and Chevrolet CK pickups, which gives it an interesting niche among classic truck collectors. Number 14. 1977 Ford F100 Ranger, $800, Greenville, Kentucky. At only $800, this 1977 Ford F100 Ranger is firmly in project truck territory. Its 400 cubic inch engine is an appealing feature because the Ford 400 is known for its strong low-speed torque, making it well suited to a classic work truck. The seller provides very little information about the running condition or body, so inspection is essential. At this price, however, it could be an inexpensive starting point for someone looking for a vintage Ford project. Number 15. 1966 Ford F100, $10,000, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. This 1966 Ford F100 appears to be one of the more usable trucks here. It is powered by Ford's legendary 300 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine and uses the classic 3-speed manual transmission with column shifting. The seller reports that it runs, drives, and stops great, with several new parts already installed. The 300 6-cylinder is particularly respected for its durability, simplicity, and strong torque, making this truck well-suited to regular cruising and light-duty use. Its reported very good condition helps justify the higher asking price. Number 16. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Custom, $11,500, Dacula, Georgia. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 is a straightforward V8-powered classic that combines a 350 engine with a 350 automatic transmission. The seller reports that it runs and drives, while new tires and a new exhaust system have already been fitted. Replacement rocker panels are included to address rust on both sides, which is a useful bonus for a future restoration. The Georgia Bill of Sale should be reviewed carefully because documentation is especially important when purchasing a classic vehicle. Overall, it appears to be a running project with good potential for a more finished restoration.